Hey, what's up, burritos? Welcome to this special video review of Ishawna's Equal Rights. Now, people, the song come out months ago and caused one mega controversy. And Ishawna, in typical Ray Ray style, has decided to put out the video in the middle of why just a year full of drama. From the equal rights song to the whole thing with she and Lincoln, and then the whole thing with Miss Lou, and then she and Daniel the guy, she and like it's just controversy after controversy. So here is the I don't even know what I'm gonna say. The review of Ishawna's Equal Rights. So come run the video. Alright, so the Equal Rights video gonna start. Lyric review. Alright, Ishawna. Legendary Records. She look pretty as well. She look nice. Alright, go to your list by Ishawna. Okay. Okay, big wow, suck off big finger. Suck off big finger. Jesus Pete. Look on Ishawna look like Rapunzel now. Boy and kneel and grab up on her body jar to box foot. Okay. Wow. Okay, the man a buffet style, lift up on them, you have to strong for them thing. Big up yourself, you. Still can't get over the line about French fries. Oh wow. Jeez, You know what the video wanna look like? It wanna look like one of Kartel long time video that Nadia Rose used to do. Yeah, the brother in the inner the spice video there. And the brother with the inner the spice video with the sheets. I think so. So she naked for real? She ain't really naked? Ishawna, big up on your breast them. Big up on your breast them. Nobody can say your breast them no up. The cameraman go down a little low. Okay. Alright, this one look like piece from out of diamonds. Alright, so okay. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. Wow, so the straight eating are go on. Jesus Pete. Oh Jesus Pete. Oh yes. Yeah. Alright, so this is all we're gonna see in the video. I mean, I wish. Alright. Okay. Oh wow. No, it's a stunt double that I really Ishawna that him they have in that video. And should they really naked or maybe should they have on one of the thing a cover up or like our clit? I don't know. I don't know, people. That is it, people. For the Ishawna review, honestly, me just last words. I'm sorry if me never did that talk whole heap. Me no know. The video, I mean, it's cool. I understand where should I go with it, but I wish it did get more of the next setups bring it to the owner treatment, because when you do a video that kind of rare and careless like this, you have to kind of class it up a little bit so it look more sophisticated. You know, like how Playboy they kind of do porn where it kind of look like one like a high end type of porn instead of just back road, Elsha beach and nighttime type of porn. You know. But I like the direction of the video, but I just wish they have more to it, because after a little while the black and white and she and the man naked like the two started them up at Emancipation Park. After that they kind of get little monotonous, just but they want like it to elevate and kind of build up to like a climatic point in the video, but we never get that. Yeah, that is it. What you think about the Ishawna Equal Rights music video? I think the video should have come out for a long time. From like 2-3 months ago, the video should have come out, but it out now. So support the thing. What you think about it? How much should I give it out of 5? Tell me, comment down below. How much would you give this video out of 5? I'm gonna reserve my comments, but I like the song, the single is cool, and Ishawna body still good. So 5 out of 5 is that. I'm big at the brother that would do it because no, everybody would do it, but you do it. You collect a paycheck, dating youth.